So almost 4 o'clock in the morning and I get a knock. I get a knock from mall security telling me that I have to move. He was gonna give me a ticket, but he took it off when I got up. This nigga was knocking out my window so goddamn loud. Window that loud, like a gentle knock on the door would be okay, but like he was banging on my window like so loud. Huh? Are you talking to me or are you talking in your sleep? Oh, what did you say? So today I woke up and didn't go to the gym. I am going to walk that bridge and maybe just like do a very long hike walk type of situation because I think that I'm gonna head to Savannah, Georgia today. And with today I started to really deep clean my truck. I should have took before and after pictures of the process, at least on this driver's side here, but it feels so much cleaner. Like you have no idea. I'm a tad bit OCD, not a tad bit, I am. So like I need my space to be clean, and being that my truck is my space and it's such a small place, I am always like wanting it to be as clean and as fresh, just so that when I am in it, like everything's copacetic and everything's free flowing. But I just got done with the driver's side, wiping everything down, wiping my seat down, vacuuming. This was full of sand and dirt and snow and ice marks, and like now everything is super clean. So excited. About to get started on the door and then switch over to the passenger seat, and the back seat is like not really that dirty. I just think I need to like vacuum. I mean, the bed's always on top, so the seat doesn't really get dirty, but even the floor, ugh, so much blankets. Even the flooring is like really clean, so not much I gotta do back in the back seat. It's mostly just the front because that is where I'm at the most. But yeah, I'm gonna finish deep cleaning the truck, probably make me a little wrap, and then go hit that bridge so I can bring you the view of the bridge from the walking perspective, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So now done with the driver's side. It's very clean, very organized, everything's wiped, looking good. So now I'm over here on the passenger side, and I did think about giving a before I got to the after. So this side is just a little bit dirty because apparently I dropped some grapes at some point, dropped some trash. The mat's a little bit dirty, the floor could use vacuuming, and then the seats just like crummy from like having food sit over here, having like grapes. So you can see it's a little bit dirty. I don't like it, so I'm gonna clean this side up and I'll be back with it after. And we just like, I scrubbed everything, swept everything down, and got it sprayed with cleaner, everything. Then I'm gonna wipe down everything really good, because when I say I like things clean, we ain't half butting it. We're not half arsing it. We do it deep. And I'm listening to my girl Sarah Jakes Roberts give me a nice sermon. The sun is shining, like it's a beautiful day. I'm getting my truck deep clean. We're gonna go walk on that bridge. We're gonna have something that nourishes our body. Okay. But I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so back with the after. Ooh, yay! Look at that, so clean. Oh my god, I can breathe easier. Look at that, so clean. Yeah. Now it's time to get everything back in, fresh and clean. I'm gonna put some air fresheners in so it's nice and fresh. I'm gonna clean this back area, just clean this door down, wipe this mat, vacuum a little bit of the crumbs, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Just gotta wipe a little bit. So I got really into it. I even vacuumed the truck bed, as you see now. So I am really deep cleaning, because you just saw me vacuuming the back of the truck as well, and now I'm hand washing the outside of the truck. I figured might as well get everything done before like I get this day started, and then all I have to do is just enjoy the day. Like no matter what time I get the day started with activity, cleaning is like so like calming and allows my thoughts to flow instead of fill me with stress, anxiety, depression. It's like I can really hone in when I'm cleaning, and I think the OCD has a little bit to do with that, because it's so detailed orient that it like actually makes me focus on what I'm doing instead of my thoughts being all crazy. So unlike some people, I mean, I know a lot of people like to clean, but it's not like as common as people who don't like to clean. Like I love to clean. It just zens me out. I can think freer, easier, calmer, and I get things done. So this might seem like a boring video, like just me cleaning and yapping to you guys, but some days this is what it is, bro. This is what it is. Like I'm not as like skillfully knowledgeable with editing videos, and I can't do cutaways and all the other stuff like all these other nomadic creators. But one thing about me is I'm just free flowing, and you may get something out of that. Something might spark your interest. But this is how the day's lining up. I just got done vacuuming the back of the truck. Now I'm hand washing with a spray bottle the exterior of my truck, and then after that I'm going to make some food, and then I'm gonna get on the road and get to that bridge. So now all the cleaning's done. The whole outside of the truck, exterior, tires, rims have been cleaned, washed. Now I am making my usual, a wrap. We got the 2 wraps just to make it a little bit bigger. Whole wheat, low carb, 60 calorie wrap, so 120. We got those jalapeno kettled air fry, and then I'm air frying the meats. Today we got turkey pepperoni and some specialty kosher turkey lunch meat. Pretty pricey, but that's why I'm eating all these wraps to make sure the $25 I spent a pound on the lunch meat gets paid. I don't know what I was thinking that day. I said I want some really healthier kosher lunch meat, and that's what I did. But I'm crisping the meat up today. I'm not really trying to eat cheese, so I'm not putting any cheese on it, with the exception of that homemade Caesar dressing that I made a few nights ago. But I'll be back and show you the progress of the wrap. So wrap is done. I put it, once I got it wrapped, it was pretty big. I put it in the air fryer again to get the wrap hot, because I don't know, I'm just craving like hot stuff. So there's the wrap. Might not look good to you, but look good. I know it's gonna taste good. I got some apples, some blueberries. Try to have a pretty well balanced meal. And then I got one of those new little energy detox shots I was telling you guys about in the other video from Aldi's. I'm excited to try. I forgot that I had them. And then of course gotta have that probiotic drink, keep everything flowing, you know what I mean. And those Life probiotic drinks from Aldi are fire. Okay, if you're on a budget and you want to keep yourself in a good way, I suggest try them if you haven't already. But I'm about to enjoy this wrap and get to the bridge, so I'll see you there. If you see these at Aldi, get them. They're good. I mean, I don't know if the benefits are gonna be accurate, but I have like 5 of them. Let's let that car pass. But I'm gonna drink them all this week and see, I don't know, if they detox my body. But the taste is delicious and they're not that bad. Way cheaper than Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. So I would definitely recommend get yourself some. So I finally made it to the bridge, found parking, and as I was driving across the bridge, I didn't realize like how long it actually is. So this is gonna be a nice little walk. I'm pretty excited for it, but this is just the beginning. Just probably about another mile before I actually hit the main architect of the bridge. But we out here, we grinding. We gonna get to the middle of the bridge and then all the way to the other side, and then I'm gonna walk all the way back. So stay tuned for the views. I love when there's little signs or big signs or any type of sign that I pass, and it just like solidifies that I'm on the right path, at least for me. I mean, it could just be something someone placed there, but for me, that really hits home right now on this journey, on this trip, what I'm doing in my life. The greatest love of life is just to live it. So real. Felt that. As soon as I was walking up on that pole, I was like, I felt it. It was going to have a message. And it did. And I'm so thankful for the little signs of the universe, of Source, of Creator, of God, that always just like keep me going, keep me grounded, and just make me remember the just put everything in perspective, so to speak. This bridge is crazy. The views impeccable, sun shining. We're getting up on the cool architecture. So, as you see, I'm just yapping on the screen and you can't hear me. It wasn't that important. It's just me talking about there was a bungee jumping company that did bungee jumps off that bridge. I would be adventurous and I'd probably bungee jump off that bridge. And that's really all I'm yapping about. Stay tuned for the rest of whatever happens in this video. Halfway point. It's beautiful. It's really cool driving, but it is pretty cool to walk on it too. The architecture for this thing is crazy. Ugh, the sun and the water. Ugh, so beautiful. So cool. Love it. Glad that I have mustered the strength, the energy to do it. So, made it to the other end. I'm almost to my halfway mark of my steps. Look at this. Ooh, la la. But I'm almost to my goal, halfway. And then I'll turn around and cross the bridge one more time. It's in the distance. You can't really. It's way. I've been walking, but almost there, so I can flip around. It is getting a little bit colder, but nothing I can't handle. It's not that bad. I'm not like freezing. I got my gloves. Woo. So I got an extra jacket around my waist in case it gets like really cold on the way back. But we did it. I tried to give you guys some different views, different perspective of the bridge. I think I managed to do so. And I'll catch you back in the truck. So actually didn't quite leave Charleston yet. After putting 5 miles in walking across that bridge, your girl is hungry. I don't feel like making anything for dinner. Yes, I had a nice little wrap as you seen earlier for lunch with my apples and my blueberries. And I love kava. Anybody who knows me knows I've been obsessed with kava since it became mainstream. And before I was leaving Charleston, I remember there was a kava by the Whole Foods. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get kava, something nice and healthy. But right across in the plaza of kava is a place called Super Chick. And I was like, how I determine if I'm gonna go somewhere is I Google it. If it has anything above a 4.5 and the reviews are good, even if it has a 4.4, I might read the reviews and see if it's just people being people or if the place just is not that great. Super Chick got a 4.7 and a lot of reviews. It seems like it's like a home style Chick-fil-A, and I don't eat Chick-fil-A. They don't support gay people. They are Christian, but their ingredients of their food is crazy. There's like 82 ingredients in a chicken breast. Like, it doesn't need that. Super Chick, I'm not sure. I'm not looking too much into it. I just could really use something comforting, cozy, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna treat myself. I just ordered it. I just placed the order. It's gonna be done pretty soon here. When I grab it, I'm gonna get it and show it to you guys and give one last review of a local Charleston place. I don't know if it's like local or if it's a chain, but it only appears when I Googled it. Well, only this location in Charleston showed up, so there might be more, but we're gonna give it a try because Lord knows I haven't had a nice like crispy fried chicken sandwich in a long time, so I'm pretty excited. So got the text, food is ready, let's go get our Super Chick. chicken and custard. Let's see what the vibes are. Alright, in the words of Keith Lee, got it, acquired it, now let's try it. Or whatever he says. I don't really know. But there we go. Chicken elevator. Alright, so I got the fresh cut fries, but I got Cajun seasoning on them, barbecue, Korean barbecue, ranch, and then I got the onion ring cheddar chicken fillet with barbecue on it. I wanted to add pickle, but I forgot when I went in there to ask for pickles, but no big worries. Actually, I think I'm gonna run in and see if I can get a couple pickles. Uno momento. So I acquired the pickles and the guy was so nice, he gave them to me for free. I don't mind it. So we're gonna pop these on the sandwich. Alright, bust those things on the sandwich. It looks pretty good, just fries are bussin'. I like all the sauces. And now it's time to try the sandwich. Here we go. Let's see how this goes. Bussin'. I mean, it's just a fried chicken sandwich, but so good. It's like very juicy. The flavor is like, you can tell it's home style, a little bit more like better than Chick-fil-A. In reality it's probably not, but it's bussin'. I would definitely say if you're in Charleston, South Carolina, or somewhere where there's a super chick, give them a try. Pretty fire. That onion ring chicken fillet, add them pickles though, go stupid, and the fries. You can pick what seasoning you want on them. If Cajun is an option, I'm always gonna go Cajun. It's just like my favorite. I love a little bit of spice. But I give this super chick, like I said, it is what it is. I definitely could make a homemade chicken sandwich that I feel like would probably be healthier and better for me, but I really was craving it. I was gonna get the kava to be healthy, and like I love kava down, but I said, you know what, let's see what it's about. I could have a chicken sandwich right now. I worked hard. I've been putting in work. I've been working out, been eating good, like healthy. I can do this. So once again, now we're gonna eat this. We're gonna get this in my belly, and then we're gonna hit that road and get to Savannah probably like around 8:45, 9 o'clock. Not the horse and carriage coming out of the side street. Like, I love the vibes here already. Like, as soon as I drove into the city, I was like, this is a vibe. And the horse, I was like, what is that? It was a horse and carriage. Oh my god. This is a vibe already. Okay, Savannah, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I feel like the vibes are much better here than in Charleston. So I got to the Planet Fitness and did that stuff and completely forgot to do an outro. So here's a clip of me just vibing out to the EDM music that they were playing in Planet Fitness. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. All the love, all the goodness sent to you. Bye!